Welcome back, first timers. Summer's in full swing here in Florida, and today we're trying to throw a pool party.
Today we're doing a bikini and bubbly pool party. What does that mean? Well, we're hosting brunch here at our house on a Sunday. We've got mimosas, Bloody Marys, we got the pool floats. We got so much food, we don't know what to do with it all. But first, we got to set up.
But follow along because we're gonna go back in time and you're gonna watch us get ready for this pool party. The things we had to order, the food we got, and the setup.
We've got a day before this party happens and we still have a lot of prep work to do. We've been working really hard on the backyard, making it look really nice, getting the pool nice and clean and the chemicals correct. David's been putting in a lot of work, power washing the house. We just want to make sure the house looks good. I've got to go do a Sam's Club pickup and go to Publix to get some food and supplies. But I guess we should tell you the theme of this party. The theme of the party is a brunch pool party. So we're gonna have a Bloody Mary station, mimosas. We're gonna do a bunch of breakfast foods. We've got some imported Belgian waffles. I'm gonna make chicken salad sandwiches. We've got a yogurt parfait station, all kinds of great stuff. Typically we would barbecue, but this is Sunday and we want it to be really relaxed and we don't want to have to do a whole lot of work. David's gonna finish blowing up the inflatables and get those in the pool, and I'm gonna take you and show you what I got from Sam's Club and Publix. All right, we got a ton of stuff from Sam's Club. First up, we got these frozen crab cakes. We recently had those at a party and they were amazing, so we decided to get some for our party. We got these Jimmy Dean sausage pancakes on a stick. Those were kind of an impulse purchase, but you know, they might be good. We got a bunch of fruit, some blueberries, some raspberries, some strawberries. That's all for the yogurt parfait bar. We got some bacon for our Bloody Mary bar, some croissants for the chicken salad sandwiches that I'm gonna make in a little bit, some granola, also for the yogurt parfait bar, some cinnamon honey butter because that sounded good to me. Want some orange juice and some cranberry juice for our mimosa bar, some shrimp for the Bloody Marys as well, 2 rotisserie chickens to making the chicken salad a little bit easier, French toast sticks, and some cups for the Bloody Mary bar. All of this costs about $200, so it's kind of pricey, but some of the stuff is frozen, and so we can keep it in the freezer, and if we don't use it for the party, we can use it later on. I also had to stop at Publix to pick up a few things for our Bloody Mary bar. We got some Tabasco and some other hot sauces, a bunch of pickled items, olives, pickles, and pepperoncinis. And these tomatoes we got from our garden. If you haven't seen that video, we recently got some earth boxes and started a garden in our backyard, so definitely check out that video. We also got some Nutella for the Belgium waffles that we got. Some yogurt for our yogurt bar. We got vanilla and strawberry. Pretty limited on the choices at Publix yesterday. Got some pineapple juice for our mimosas, some celery for the Bloody Marys, 1 watermelon, some chocolate chips and whipped cream for the waffles, and grapes for the chicken salad that I'm gonna make later, and some Bloody Mary mix. David also ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon late one night, so I don't even know what's in most of these boxes, so I'm gonna open them up and show you what we got. I'll be right back. First up, we have these Belgian waffles. I'm really excited to try these. They're made with pearl sugar, so as you take bites, they kind of burst in your mouth. It's similar to a McGriddle from McDonald's. They're super sweet already, so you don't have to add any syrup or anything like that, but we probably will. They come in a pack of 15. We got 2, so we got 30 waffles. You just toast them up, put whatever toppings you want on them, and hopefully they're delicious. Excited to try those. We also got some white and gold cocktail napkins. We got some tiny square plates. They also come with little forks, so that's really cool. We also got champagne flutes that are plastic because we're gonna be out by the pool. And we got these little parfait cups. They come with a spoon, super cute, and these skewers. We also got some of this rim salt for the Bloody Marys, some skewers for all your toppings for your Bloody Mary. These really cool condiment caddies for all of our toppings for the Bloody Mary and the yogurt parfait bar. And David also ordered this really cool Bloody Mary set from Amazon. It comes with some skewers, olives, onions, of course the mix, some pickled asparagus, and green beans. also got a variety of champagne, sparkling wines, rosé, because you can't have a mimosa bar without that. We've got some rosé on the end because people like rosé. We got some Brut if you're looking for something not so sweet. We've got J sparkling wine, which is our favorite, and then some Prosecco. The last bit of prep work I have to do today is to make the chicken salad. So I don't really follow a recipe. I got your basic ingredients here. We've got your rotisserie chicken that I got from Sam's Club. I have some honey Dijon stone ground mustard, some Duke's mayonnaise, celery, grapes, salt, pepper. That's about it. Like I said, I don't go by a recipe. I just put in how much of each ingredient I feel like is the right amount, give it a little taste, and there you go. So I'm going to put this together tonight so it has time to sit in the fridge and the flavors all meld together for tomorrow. So we will see you guys tomorrow when the fun happens and we have the final setup for the party. And don't forget, we also have to pick out my bikini for tomorrow. I said I'd see you guys tomorrow, but I decided to start setting up tonight so we can save some time in the morning. We've got the breakfast board area set up, the waffles laid out, fancy napkins, and then we have our parfait cups for the yogurt bar and the champagne flutes for the mimosas. Over on the other side of the counter, we've got our Bloody Mary station set up. We've got all of our pickle items set up. We're not going to open them though until tomorrow. And then we've got the juices and the mixes and all the spices set up too. And now I'll see you tomorrow.
Good morning, first timers. Today is the day of the party and we're hurting a little bit. We're struggling. We had a crazy night last night down in 30A. We had a great time, hung out with a lot of really cool friends, and just kind of stayed out way too late.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.
But if you do want to see our nighttime adventures and things that we do outside of YouTube, definitely follow us on Instagram. It's The First Timers. While we do post very regularly and frequently here on YouTube, and that's our main platform, we do like to post things when we're out and about and just doing different things in the community. So if you like to see that or to watch us cut up a little bit at nighttime, definitely follow us on Instagram. But anyway, we did wake up. Oh, I woke up. Terry's still kind of in slow-mo right now. I got all the chairs set up. I got the inflatables in the pool. And I started to set up the rest of the stuff for the party inside, getting the bacon cooked, the sausage, and I gotta make a run to get some ice because today is a scorcher, absolute scorcher. So as much ice as we can use, we're probably gonna use it. I'm gonna head off. I'll leave the camera here with Terry, so once she starts setting up, you'll see her. But it's party time, nearly.
We've been scrambling all morning. We're running a little bit behind setting up. We made the bacon, we made the sausage. I still gotta put together the sandwiches, do the French toast sticks, put out the yogurt bar. People are gonna be showing up soon. David hasn't showered yet. All hands on deck. Let's go, let's go. I think we're all set up. All we need are some people to show up now. I think maybe a 10 o'clock brunch on a Sunday is maybe a little bit too early. So as you guys might know, I have a very extensive collection of bikinis, so it was hard to pick something out for today. Most of my bikinis are either from Doll or from Duvin. I went with an old classic Doll bikini today. It just felt like it had the brunch themes. It's white, it's pink, it's got some metal detailing on it. What do you think?
So we tried to have an absolute banger here at our house today, and it was
Less than successful, you could say.
a lot of the folks that were planning on coming out ended up having other more exciting plans to go with, or just weren't feeling well and decided to stay home. But that doesn't mean that Terry and I didn't have a good time.
Because we always have a good time together.
We were able to hang out in the pool. We did get a couple people to come out. We were able to talk to them, enjoy, get to know people, and we had a whole lot of snacks and drinks just for us.
Needless to say, we've got meal prep for the rest of the week.
For right now, Terry and I are going to jump back in the pool, cool off, and maybe some stragglers will show up later on. But if not, it doesn't matter. We had a great time planning this party, and we had just as much fun.
And thanks to everybody that did come out. You guys were awesome. We had amazing conversations, great new friends made. Thank you so much.
But if you like this video, check out this video right here where we did something else new for the first time. Thanks again for following along in this episode, and join us next time when we try something else new for the first time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First timers.
High five.